What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Oh, Monday morning. I love Monday mornings, man. Who else loves Monday mornings? I look forward to Mondays so much. Anyway, so today we're going to talk about NNDM. NNDM, I want to go over their technical analysis for Monday morning. We'll get into that in a bit. But before I do that, man, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It's very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything I find interesting in the stock market. And I love to share that with whoever is open to listen. So that being said, man, let's just get right into it. NNDM testing the highs, baby. Testing the highs today, bright and early. If you watch my previous video on NNDM and the technical analysis I went through, I had stated that once it finally broke clear of this high right here, after the consolidation, this is pretty much a consolidation high. Once it broke through the sevens, that we'd have a clear shot back up to the highs sometime this week. I didn't necessarily anticipate it to be today, Monday. I thought we might have one more day before. I figured we might get that break, either Tuesday or Wednesday. But we're retesting it on Monday. As you can see, it broke through the 997 to 999, but still holding resistance in the eights. And now at the moment, it is retesting that 990 area again, potentially going to break through and hit the eights. But as of right now, it's looking like it's still holding the resistance level. But again, man, it's just right up there again, which is very promising for this week to come, because once it breaks that 8 mark, we have a clear path to the nines, as we can see right here. Once it breaks the resistance here, this is the next resistance, right in the 9 levels. Boom. We're talking, I'm sorry, wrong level. But we're talking right here, 906 area. That is the next high. So, that is a clear dollar path once it breaks that 8, to have just a clear shot to the nines beautifully. I could see it potentially reaching the nines by the end of this week. Actually, oops, stop. Take that back. I forgot it's Christmas. The market will be closed. So maybe if not this week, maybe next week, Monday or Tuesday, just depending. I forget about these whole holidays and fucking time off from the market in the holidays. But again, man, just a quick technical analysis on NNDM, looking beautifully poised to break them nines. And as I said in previous technical videos, once it breaks those nines, we have a clear path to the 14s. And the 14 level is the area that, I'm really going to be considering getting out at. I'm loving the fact that we're retesting this on Monday, because it's a good sign for the week to come on what levels we're going to play out. So, just it happening. Again, beautiful technical analysis. Broke out of the consolidation high on Friday. Finally broke out of it cleanly. And then now having this nice massive run on Monday morning. Again, though, we still got ARK Invest still purchasing shares at NNDM, which is just another great catalyst for this thing to go. And then now that it's potentially breaking new highs today, that's just going to put more eyes on it because of that clear path in the technicals to the 9. So, I mean, who doesn't want to collect a dollar profit? You know what I'm saying? So you bought 1,000 shares, you collect $1,000. And, that's probably going to happen, from 8 to 9 probably within a week itself, because there's no real resistance anywhere in between those levels. So, NNDM, what a great start to Monday. What a great start to this week. I didn't anticipate this retesting highs this soon. Technically, it did break to a new high by a couple cents, but that's still considered, bouncing off the resistance level. Just because it broke it by a couple cents doesn't, technically it is a new high, but it's not necessarily a breakout yet. The clean breakout is going to be once it breaks past 8 and just has a clear path of the actual break of 8. Kind of similar like what we seen down here when it finally broke the 7s. The previous day, it tapped the 7, broke over 7, but came back down. And then Friday, we finally had that good push all the way to the 730s and then closed in the 17s. In the 17 area. So, and now we're doing kind of similar. Maybe possibly we might see that where it might just tap here today, because we're kind of having a double top at the moment, but it's still holding. It's still holding near the high, so we could have a clean break through the 8s today. But if it doesn't have a clean break through the 8s today, that's okay with me. We could have that clean break tomorrow for sure, just similar to like what we seen when it broke through the 7s. So NNDM, guys, looking beautiful for Monday morning, looking beautiful to come for this week. And I see it breaking them 8s. And once it does, like I said, a clear path to the 9s. And once we hit them 9s, we got a clear path to the 14 area. So that is a beautiful, beautiful sign. I'm still extremely bullish on NNDM, Nano Dimensions, 3D printing for electronic components. I mean, this company's doing big things, man. I mean, there's a lot of great things about this company. I've seen some news about, you know, their competition, but to be honest, man, I mean, I don't really think there is competition for these guys. I mean, they're moving in an amazing direction, and I'm going to continue to be bullish on them. And once it starts testing those 14 levels, depending on what kind of catalyst comes out during that time, is going to depend on whether or not I decide to stay in it. But I haven't really seen no major catalyst as of yet, something new that could propel this thing even further. But, I mean, it does have the opportunity to do so. So, you know, but the 14 levels is where I want to get out at. And, you know, I plan on still getting out in those 14 levels unless we have some kind of new catalyst around that time that's going to propel this thing to the next level and potentially the 20s. So NNDM, just a quick technical analysis, a beautiful Monday morning, a great start to the weekend. Leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know where you think NNDM is going to be at the end of this week. Let me know where you think NNDM is going to be at the end of this month, in the beginning of 2021, where you think the price level is going to be at. Leave a comment. I'll reply as soon as possible. Again, if you made it this far, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It's very much appreciated. You feel me? Man, I love this, man. It's such a beautiful morning, man. Again, man, You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you could do that. So, NNDM, still extremely bullish on it, testing the new levels, new highs at the resistance level, and I'm going to keep you guys updated from there, all right? So, till then, guys, peace. I'm out. Gone.